Hi, my name is Caleb and welcome to my presentation. Here I will be introducing what I did on my website. So let's get straight to it. For my first page, I did my homepage. I did just a quick introduction of myself and introduced a few pictures, just to go along with what I'm trying to show. On my interest and career objectives page, I introduced what I want to do in the future, and that is being a business owner of hotels like in different countries. So I shared a little bit about my background. I introduced a link where you can look at my resume, and I showed a lot of pictures of hotels that not only I would be interested in, but also what other people would be interested in visiting. And these are some of the pictures that I placed inside, along with a video of a resort and spa in Phuket. That's in Palima. And my next page is my stock page, where I showed some of the stocks that I investigated for a couple of weeks, which are like the Tesla, the Apple, and of course I did a little investigation on the Wyndham Hotels, which is one of the major hotels in the world. And I shared the cost per share by week, and I shared the total value by week, and after going through the weeks, I had a loss of $60.50. On my Adobe Photoshop page, I photoshopped a picture of a Jeep that could be like it's underground or underwater, and it's like showing a little reflection. So what I basically did to this photo was just have layers where I have my name, I did some sharpening, and I did some effect, some oil paint effect. And next you will see my contact page, where you can contact me if you want to ask me any questions. Yes. So that is my presentation. Thank you.